All right, so this is a 2014 Mercedes C300 4matic. We're doing the alternator. The alternator sits right there. It's pretty straightforward job. There's your belt tensioner right there. It is a 17 millimeter. I just used a 1/2 inch extension on it. Now the bolts, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. They are E10s. Now, to get, sorry about the camera here. There's one right here, which I took off. Then you got that one. Then you got the two at the bottom, one in the front and one in the rear. Now the rear one I was having a real issue with to get to it. What I did was, there's a little line that sits right up in here. If you can see that, it's a little 10 millimeter nut right up in there. I took that off, pushed this down, which gave me room to get up in there. Now what you're gonna want to do is, I used a 3/8 with a swivel. Swivel's not really necessary, but it helps. It's also a very shallow one. So what you're gonna have to do is, I was trying to go up from up here into it, but you can't do that. You're gonna have to go up from under this pipe right there, right? And then fish it all the way to the back, and then just go up this way with it. So you gotta go under this pipe to get the right angle on that rear one. And you can hear it, I got it loose all the way. Then you don't even gotta unplug your battery for this one. Right there, boom. So just take that off, set it to the side, make sure it ain't gonna go nowhere. It goes directly to the alternator, and you have your power wire down there and your plug right there. But the plug actually comes all the way up to the wiring right here, and this will come up, so you could literally just pull the alternator out and then undo them. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. Once I broke it loose, I did use this little 12 point flexible, ratchet, which made it easier because it's smaller to get in there, and then just get it all the way out. But 2014 Mercedes C300.